Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT not responding. Is ChatGPT not responding? When you send a message, don't worry, this is a common problem and you can fix it with the very easy steps. First, check your internet connection. ChatGPT needs a stable connection to work. For that, swipe up from the top right corner of your phone. This will open your control settings. Here you can switch Wi-Fi and mobile data, or you can turn on airplane mode for the 10 seconds, then turn it back off. Refresh the page or restart the app. If you are using browser, reload the page. If you are using the app, close it completely and reopen it. This often fixes small glitches. Now wait for the few seconds before sending the message. Send message too quickly can cause ChatGPT to spot responding. Give it a moment, then try it again. If you are on browser, clear cache and cookies. Old data can interfere with login response. After clearing them, restart your browser and sign back in. And make sure ChatGPT is updated. For that, go to the App Store. In the search bar, type ChatGPT and open it. And make sure your app is updated. If not, tap update cause old app version can cause this error. If ChatGPT still doesn't respond, log out and log back in. This reset your season and fix account related issue. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.